So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in videos I'm gonna show you how to create a login page or members only page in Google Sites. Now while Google Site is simple and user friendly, it does not offer built-in features for protected or members only content. But don't worry, I will show you how to work around and then how you can get started, okay? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or it can be in the pinned comment, okay? Basically, you have to head into your Google Sites as you can see, and if you are on your Android or iPhone, just search for Google Sites on your App Store or Google Play Store and you will get it and log into it. So as I'm already logged into my Google account, so I did not needed to log in again to Google Sites, okay? Now you have to click on pages like blank site and etc. Here we can see this option blank site. So now you can start customizing it. You can name your page something like we should name the page something like login page or something that let me type login page right here. Login page. So there we go. Now let's say you want to change the color of it or font of it, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Just select the text and you can make it bolder, right, like this. Also you can make it italic if you wish to, and you can even underline it, but the bold one is just enough. Now if you want to change the font of it, you can simply tap onto this second option, which is saying letter, and from there you can just change it to anything you wish to. For example, I'm gonna choose login page. This one is nice. Now you can choose your size from it, like you can choose the size of the text like this, but for me bigger one is perfect, like this. And now let's say you want to change the color of your text, then you can see this a text right here. You can see this a text right here, okay? Just simply tap onto it and this is basically the text color option. Simply choose the color you wish to add. For example, this one, you can see this. No, this is not looking nice, so let me change it again. Yellow, white one is perfect, okay? Let's keep it to this. Okay, this one is nice. And change the font to Georgia. Now let's title this site. You can use it as title, heading or subheading, even small text, but for me normal text is also okay, but title is perfect as this is at the heading of the page. This will be your restricted members only section. Now you can head over to opro.com. This is the tool that lets you create protected pages and user login functionally. You have to click sign up. Let me find this. You have to sign up to it. You can enter your email address and you can get a discount of it, okay? And other things, wait, just tap onto it and then you have to sign up. You have to choose your account method and you have to fill in your details, and then you can create an account. Then you have to proceed to set up wizard, okay? Wait, you have to go to wizard, and then you have to log into the site. Now Opro will now guide you through a few questions like choose how people can register and etc. after logging into it, and then you have to choose them. Wait, let me show you. So basically go to Auth Pro. You have to tap on to sign up now. Then you have to tap continue. Then you have to enter your username, password, and other confirmation to create an account. You can enter your website URL from here. Tap on to publish. And for now, let me just use a basic site, okay, that I previously made. For example, this one, okay. Let me copy the link of it. I mean, you can share also if you wish to. Now let's copy the link. Okay, let's tap publish. You have to create an account to Auth Pro by using username. You can also choose a password if you want. Let me copy the password. And then create an account. And then you have to tap on to proceed to setup wizard. Then tap next. Now you have to add your members area URL. Just choose the link. Now tap next. So this is how you can do it. Now you have to enter your username, password, and email. Then tap next. Then you can proceed to do it. Like, these are essential for enabling login functionality on your Google site. Now you have to go back to your Google site homepage, not the numbers page. Click on insert, like here, embed code. Now here you have to choose embed code, this one, and paste the registration or login from HTML provided by Opera. Okay, now copy. Let me copy this one, maybe it should work. Then you have to tap next. Now you have to tap and insert. So there we go. Now we can add images to the link if you wish to, or you can just embed it with this one. So this is how you can use it. Now you can publish it. So that was it for this video, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.